Hi everyone and welcome back to the Mad Investor. As you know, I like to cover those kind of cool things where you can build your side income and side hustle. And today I'm coming to the copy trading because I think that's something which I used for I think like 2 years now, and it is the great way to diversify your portfolio. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor here, as I'm just showing you what I'm doing and how am I expanding my portfolio. But what I like about copy trading is that it allows you to actually trade, get weekly or monthly percentage without you having the actual knowledge of the basic of trades, what's Fibonacci, where the market is going, etc. So I think that's pretty awesome. And it also allows you to diversify the risk. So today I'm going to talk about the platform which I use and the cool program they have of the copy trading. So there is a link underneath this video for you to register if you obviously want to support our channel. And I'm talking about the Nord FX, mainly because they are a forex broker which is on the market for 17 years. And obviously, if you want to trust your money to someone, I always look at some company which is already a long time on the market. And this is very important. Don't join any forex traders or apps like that which are a year on the market. So the main thing, if you've never done forex trading, I'm going to kind of show you the basics of it. And if you don't know how to create an account, well, you just literally press open account when you use my link, and then just follow the steps. It's very easy, and then you need to verify it with your ID, passport, and address. So when it comes to copy trading, this is kind of a simple way to increase your capital, which allows the traders which know what they're doing to earn additional profit by selling their trading signals. So in that way, if you want to start copy trading, you have two options. Well, if you know how to trade, then you can become a trader and then get some money from your subscribers. So they kind of buy the signals from you and you get some additional money for it. But if you don't know how to trade, what you can do, you can become a subscriber to a trader which already sells signal and then start earning money, because then you can just copy them. It is in general suitable for those who are interested in passive investing, since it does not require either independent trading experience or any serious time expenses. So as you can see, this is a person who is a signal provider. They receive a reward for the fact that the transaction from his account are copied by subscribers. So their kind of main thing will be to focus on the performance, making sure you are making money, because if they're making money and they're making you money, they also get more income. And for them, that's also very important. I think, because it's a win-win situation, their obviously mentality will be focused on winning. And then you have a signal subscriber, which might be you. It's also me. I do that. It's an investor whose account automatically copies the transaction of a signal provider in an online mode by subscribing to supplier signal. So as you can see, this is on the website. You actually have a bit more kind of details. How does it work? And I think that's pretty cool. You can get, as a signal provider, a free and objective online monitoring of your trading results for more than 50 parameters. Like you have unlimited number of subscription to your channels. That means if you want to become a trader, like you can actually earn a lot of money and there is no limit to it. And all the tools of the pro trading are available for trading. So yeah, I think that's a cool thing for everyone. And you have obviously a lot of currency pairs, cryptocurrency pairs, gold, silver, oil, gas. So you have the kind of the, I would say, normal currencies. But obviously, when it comes to metals, I think that's also great. People are making a lot of money on gold and silver. And you also have the stocks and indices. So I think that's pretty awesome. And for those of you who are looking to be a subscriber, like for example I am, you don't need any special knowledge. You don't need to transfer your funds to the supplier. Your funds are actually on the Nord FX and they're being traded from their account. So the person who is a signal provider, they don't have access to your money. And I think that's an extremely important thing. Never send money directly to someone who's telling you, oh, I can make you a lot of money. You get objective online monitoring of the trading results, so you can actually see everything what's going on, and you only pay a supplier a certain percentage of the profit, from 10%, no profit, no payments. Obviously, if they're not making money, you don't pay them. I think that's a very cool thing. And the minimum initial deposit is only $100 on average, because that depends on the trades. So I also looked at the top 10 signal suppliers profitability, and I can see that some of them are making a pretty good money in the last, I would say, a month. So, like we can see, for example, this guy today has like -20, so that's a big one. But for example, those top three, we can see in the last month they did like 100%, right? But we can see they're trading very fresh because the all-time here is 101 and last month it's 101 as well. So that means these two have started in the last month. But you can see here that all-time of this guy is 17%. Well, this month was 40, so that means it fluctuates. But the cool thing is that it's a long term. But what you can do is you can go to see all signal providers and see a bit more. But I'm going to show you that in just a second. So one last thing when it comes to the kind of how the copy trading works. So as a subscriber, you just open an account using the link in the description of this video. You deposit some funds in USD to your balance, and then go to section for working with investment products, copy trading, select one of the signal providers, and then click subscribe to Signal. So as simple as that. I'm also going to show you see all signal providers, and we're going to go to the account. So when you actually log into the account, you need to first, as I mentioned, verify your account to make sure you have all the kind of capabilities of the accounts. So let me show you actually how the deposit works. So when you actually set up the account, you should see your account. I have a few others as I did set it up to check it out. As obviously this is my testing account. I'm not showing you my real life account. So for example, if I go to the MetaTrader 5 and I press fund deposits, obviously I can deposit the money here and or do internal transfer from one account to another. The transfer funds which I can use, you can use many different. So as you can see, the recommended one, they're actually putting the cryptocurrency, and I think that's very cool. So you can use Tether, TRC20, Tether URC20 with USDT, but you have others. So you have also USDC. You can use the Binance Pay. You have to use DAI or some other payment system like India Deposit, Dragon Pay, Indonesia, Skrill, Neteller. So there's a lot of those which you can use. And I think, this is very easy. So how to find the copy trading on your account? That's actually very easy. When you log into the NordFX, you just need to go to this, which is section for working with investment products. Then you have my products and copy trading. So you just go to the copy trading, and here you can see the copy trading ratings of all the traders out here. So you can see kind of people doing trades, like some of them like with 546%, but like last month and today not doing much with huge drawdowns. But we can see that some of them are kind of very decent, and you can also see the investors' equity. So I'm going to put like a list of 50, and I'm going to put, let's say, someone who has actually a lot of money. So so for example, this all time is -57. So actually they lost a lot with 91%. So that's something I wouldn't go into. -53. Okay, this is the safe trader. I like it. OMFX, the safe trader. All time 17%. This month 40%, max drawdown 33%. That's pretty good. So obviously you don't want the drawdown to be 100%. You want the drawdown to be low. And this kind of thing which I always look at. So grow capital like 22%, etc. So that's pretty decent. So I'm going to look at, for example, some of those which are trading today, and I can see from the actually let's do a month. Yeah, so these are the guys which kind of, they actually lost it, unfortunately. And that's obviously the risk with copy trading, right? So we can see that, these guys, and within this month, they actually did pretty good numbers and, with pretty decent drawdowns. So if you want to, join some of those, I don't know, for example, the turtle soup, right? So investors or maybe this OFM FX trader, right? So you would just go to copy trades, and then within here, you just put in the copying type, the auto scale to equity. I think that's just easy. You can choose the auto scale to free margin, the exact copy, or fixed lot copy. That's kind of up to you. Then the multiplier, the minimum lot, maximum lot, and minimum loss. and kind of what's the leverage you want to use. So if you are, if you don't know how if you don't use kind of copy trading often, or you never used it before, like I wouldn't go on a 1 to 1,000, maybe like 1 to 100. If you want to test it out with $100, see how it goes, that's your choice. The minimum balance to join here, it's $100. And as you can see, they are taking the performance fee of 50%. So that means that if he's making, let's say, 10% for you, it will be a 5% because the 5 will go to the trader. So this is simple, and what I recommend for myself, and that's my rule, that when I kind of, let's say, have $500 or $1,000 of a capital, I try to divide minimum with two, 3, 5 traders, preferably. So thanks to it, my risk is also diversified. So I'm not putting everything into one trader because I lost a lot of money on trading by myself. That's why I like to use copy trading, because it's a very cool thing to do, especially if you don't have that trading expertise. So we can see that some of those are having a huge drawdowns, but some of those are having like a good ones. For example, I'm going to look into that one as well. So this guy actually takes 30% performance fee, so it's a bit lower. So I think it's also a nice thing to try, but their minimum balance to join is 200. So it's kind of up to you which one you want to go. This is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that video, and this is just an overview of the copy trading and why I think it's worth it to join copy trading, because without expertise you can actually make some cool additional money. This is it from me, Rafael Sibila here, and see you in the next video. Take care. Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures he's found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds, unlocking the secrets of the blockchain.